I'm sorry, I didn't mean to get sprayed by a skunk. Yep, this is what happens when you get sprayed by a skunk. Gotta stay outdoors, and you gotta get cleaned. This is a mixture of Dawn dish soap and baking soda, just made into a paste. Don't add water. The water does something to make the smell far worse. Mixed it up. We worked it into her fur all over. And then once we got it all worked in, we let her dry for 30 minutes. She just had to stand outside. I stayed with her. We just sat there. You can tell she doesn't look very happy. And then we get done with the drying process. And we have to rinse her off. So you'll see here in just a minute. Here we go. We're gonna get started. Get her out there. She doesn't like the hose much, so we got to put a leash on to be able to hold her because she's not really excited about this. The water's cold, and it's not hot outside, but it's not cold either. It's okay. But it's not really where you'd like to have a bath from a hose. So you can see now we're just rinsing her off. We got to take that hose and we got to try to get it all out. She's part lab, so she has a second coat down in there. And it's when you get that worked in really well, it's really hard to get it off. The great news is though, once we got her completely clean and she's ready to go, you'll see her here at the end. She looks nice and clean and just black again without all the suds and soap on her. And we toweled her dry and the whole works. And then she did not smell. I could literally take my nose and stick it right in the edge of her fur and not smell anything. So having been sprayed by a skunk within the last hour and not smelling anymore was a huge plus for us. The last time she got sprayed by a skunk, it took almost 2 weeks for the smell on her to go completely away and over a week for the smell in the house to go away. So she's not really chasing the skunks like she wants to hurt them. She just wants to play with them, and they don't understand that she wants to play with them. And she gets close and they just spray her. And then she comes back looking all rejected and not understanding why her friend sprayed her and why she stinks. She doesn't like stinking, and if you lean down to even sniff her to see if she smells from like going outside and you think she might have rolled in something, she gets really unhappy about it. She's like, nope, I didn't do anything wrong, don't smell me. She'll kind of growl and she'll try to go away from you.
She does not smell anymore.
So, all from when she got sprayed by a skunk when she was a puppy.
That's amazing.
So, thanks for watching, and if you have a dog that gets sprayed by a skunk, remember Dawn soap and baking soda. It makes a world of difference, and she was able to come back inside within an hour of being sprayed by a skunk without making our whole house stink. Thanks for watching.
If I were to let the mixture dry, and that was it.